Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing macrofor.com. So as you can see, we have here on the website, and their website is very ugly. They didn't even try making this look good. So basically what they sell is apparel, and there are even some missing pictures from their website. As you can see, they have this really bad animation right here. So this is what they sell. And if you're wondering if this is legit, I doubt it. And we have it here on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 2.5 out of 5 stars, with 100% of them being 1 star. I don't know why they're rated 2.5 if 100 of them are 1 star. So as you can see, scam site. Scam, do not even bother. Luckily, only spent $5. Do not buy from this site. Been 3 weeks and nothing. Complete scam. Never got my hoodies. Scam site. And that is basically it. So the people that ordered them have never gotten their apparel, which is basically what you expect from ordering from a pretty bad website that looks like this. So please guys, do not fall for websites like these. There are many websites like these that try to scam you. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.